Today I'm going to make pasta casserole. Very easy dinner, very easy to make, and I'm going to use a pound of ground beef. This is organic, 100% grass-fed ground beef. I love the sizzle. In the meantime, make sure you're warming your oven 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 176 degrees Celsius. If you like, just a little bit, not too much. And now here is the fun part. Fun part is you just dump everything in. Quinoa pasta, organic quinoa pasta. Dump it there. Mix the vegetables. Just dump them in there. Then the next, you pour in pasta sauce. Tomato paste, three cups beef broth, mix all in. Next, put cheese, 1 cup cheese, and then it's ready to go in the oven.
1 hour later.